Good morning, guys! Another day, another vlog na naman kami. So for today, pupunta kami ng Niagara Falls.
Sobrang pagod ka po, pero enjoy!
Ayan. So for today's video, punta kami ng Toronto, Niagara Falls. Famous Niagara Falls ng Toronto. Kaya samahan nyo kami. Puro daan na naman yung vlog. Hope you enjoyed the video. And please like, share kung nagustuhan mo ang video namin.
Not share, subscribe!
Subscribe, yeah. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you guys. Uy, may nakita akong isang babae. Ano bang pangalan mo? Ganda naman ng baby ko. Ganda naman ng baby ko.
Love you, be.
Love you. Yun, guys. Ready na kami umalis. Daan na naman ang vlog namin. Outfit check muna. Outfit check. Sheesh. Hindi pa kami get over sa Bruno Mars concert. He left us hanging, guys, yesterday. Grabe, parang biglang boom, nawala lang siya. But anyways, today's gonna be fun.
Let's go.
It's gonna be a wet day. Kaya,
Let's go na.
yeah, okay. Bye, guys. See you on the road.
Tama ba ito? No! Ikaw ang vlog.
Vlogger. Ako yung vlogger, tapos
Para kuwari si Bruno Mars ka, ako si DJ P.
Ah, ganun ba yun? Paano naging Dapat ikaw si Bruno Mars, ako si DJ P.
Ako, sino si P? Ako si
Si DJ Papi Yunzuna.
DJ P.
Ayan.
May sunscreen ka? Picture.
Ayun guys, nakalimutan ko mag-sunscreen pero hindi na ako babalik. Hindi na kami babalik ng hotel. Buti na lang meron akong windbreaker today. Sana
Ano naman?
Well, this will do.
No.
I think, hopefully. Yeah?
No.
Ayun o. Ayun o. Oh. Ano pala ba sa akin ng araw?
Where's my phone?
Dito. Pala ba sa akin ng araw? Para ako si Grim Reaper, guys.
Grim Reaper.
Grim Reaper. Ayan.
Hindi mo.
Ito, ang ganda ng landscape nila dito.
Hindi kayo.
Ay, hindi ka ba nagaganda sa landscape nila? Oh?
Skip yan.
Ayan, Home Depot na luma.
Ano ba?
First time ko makita ng ganitong Home Depot. Ay, actually, this na. Oh, it's Highland Farms. Oh, first time ko makikita yung ganitong store dito sa Toronto. Kasi sa Alberta, guys, wala kaming ganito.
Ano ba yan?
Highland Farms.
Sarado naman. Hindi na operating.
Ayan, Sige, maglakad pa tayo. Doon pa. Tapos magle-left kami. Antay kami ng bus. Ayan.
Uy, baka haunted yan
Ayan. Parang ito yung yung church doon sa sa larong
Yung may-ari niyan, para ako pa. Ano ginagawa mo dito sa Bakurang?
Yung mga
Tawag mo, please.
Tatawid. Hindi, nandito ako sa bakuran mo kasi kukuha ko ng mangga.
Di possible.
Walang mangga dito, ano?
Wala.
Grabe.
Yung may-ari na.
Pati simba.
Nakagano ng tingin.
Pati simbahan, napaka-aesthetic, oh.
Pero kumukuha ng bata.
Crazy sila dito.
Yan o, nakalagay pa.
Oh my God. Finally, guys. Finally. Wala pa rin bus stop.
Makita ko. Oras natin.
1 kilometer na kami naglalakad dito. Galing kami doon sa dulo. Para maghanap ng bus. Kasi ayun dito. Dito daw dapat kami. Pero yung nakalagay na sign, 75 meters daw up ahead. Kasi ginagawa nila, kina-construction nila yung yung bus stop. Kaya
Anong oras yung bus na nakalagay?
ayun, confirm meron nag-aantay din doon. So
Anong oras ang gabi?
ang dating ng bus ay 11:31.
Anong oras na?
11.
Wow.
Half an hour. Grabing lakad to. Kuha ko ng ganito. Kuha ng isang ganito.
Do you like Noy?
May ano ba sila?
Coffee?
So guys, ang daming options dito. Ano? Pero ito, ito. Ayoko mag-coffee. Gusto ko lang na.
So yan guys, nasa Farmers, ano ba to? Fresh Market Restaurant. Daming masarap. Pero hindi ako mahilig sa matamis, B. Ikaw mahilig sa ganun. Wow, ba't fruits ang kinuha mo?
Banana. Gusto ko.
Akin yan. Okay, let's go. Hanapin na namin yun.
Ayun guys, antay-antay lang kami ng bus dito. Dito kami sa terminal.
Ano pala yung pila? Nandito tayo.
Ayan.
Mapapa-Uber na kami sa dulo.
Sabi yung buildings. Masyado malilim yun.
Hinit.
Anong lasa?
Ang pait.
Kasi?
Cheese. Tikman mo ba?
Ayoko.
Lagi mo na lang ako sinusungin.
Ha? Hindi kaya. Lasang ano yan eh, damo. Yan naman po guys. Nag-Uber kami. Hindi kinaya mag-bus. Late yung bus namin. Hindi kami aabot sa sa tour namin.
Pag naging...
Panahintay.
Tayo natin sa basa. Tingnan.
Grabe.
Love. Love. Sino iba?
Oh yan. Puro napkin. Grabe.
Ginagapin ko din. Sabay tayo.
Grabe. Puro daan. Grabe. Toronto, no? Grabe, Toronto. Puro daan yung Toronto, guys. Ayan na guys, karatanin namin dito sa tower. Saan mo gusto punta ngayon, ba?
Washroom.
Okay. Baba muna tayo dito. Eh, grabe, kakaiba dito, ha? What's your palda? Wow, parang may dito, mga game room, oh.
Wow. Pinareserve ko pa din.
Naging bata ulit. Grabe, oh. Masaya maging bata.
Ito?
Oo, masaya maging bata dito. Ang daming laruan. Ito yung dream ko nung bata ako, eh. Hindi ako nakapaglaro ng masyado.
Kawawa ka.
Ayan, oh. Ayan, washroom muna. Grabe oh. Ngayon lang ako ulit nakakita ng ganito. Parang last time ko nakita to, ano eh. Mga ano pa lang ako eh. 4 years old siguro. Grabe oh. Dami. Viewers. Ito natatandaan ko itong nilalaro ko to dati. Pag nasa mall. Parang dito yung mga luma-luma na to. Ayan guys.
Yung food hindi mo kinuha, drink lang.
Ulit-ulit.
Again. So yeah, pink drink and a matcha. It's so dark. It's so dark.
Bakit?
Dalawa yung food, may isa pa.
So yun guys, kakain muna kami. So you were inside the whole time?
No, actually, I just passed by you. I saw you.
Okay.
These are your
Yeah.
two tickets.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ay, wow. Hindi mo na pala tayo pupunta sa next.
Ay, grabe guys. Ang ganda dito guys oh. Wow. Wow, ang lakas ng hangin. Ang lakas ng hangin. Wow. Grabe oh. Lipat tayo sa kabila. Grabe, malamig dito. Ayan guys, pupunta kami dun mamaya sa ferries na yon. Sasakay kami dyan. At mukha yung ruta niya mukhang papunta dun. Iikot. Tapos babalik. Paano yung ganda?
Ganda. Ang ganda.
Kaya nga eh, oh, grabe oh.
Ganda ng daan.
Yeah, ang linis ng daan oh.
Let's go in.
Are we going inside now?
Let's have some souvenirs.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see. What do you want?
Siyempre, yung ref magnet hindi mawawala yan.
Wow. Maganda. Oh my God.
Niagara Falls. Yan, mukhang maganda. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung ano. Oops.
Let's go. Pili ka.
Okay. Ang cute nung malinis.
Lisa, ay, sa design, mama.
Ang cute.
Sorry.
Hi, that's okay. You guys accept cash?
Sure.
Yeah?
Canadian or American? So 36. You've got 36 and 15 cents. There. Good luck.
Thank you. Let's go.
Yung mga... Nasaan?
Built in 1960.
Ito,
Skyline Tower,
1960.
1965.
Hindi pa sabi niya kanina 1969 daw yung... Ayan, tingnan. Sige, tingin.
Wala pa yung akin.
Sige, hanapin natin yung picture natin dito.
I'm gonna open.
Yeah. Ganda, no?
Yeah.
Ayan na, guys. Grabe, no? Tinulak mo ako dito.
Nakayakap na nga lang ako eh,
Murder
pero gusto ko
yan.
itulak. Niyakap na nga lang kita.
Grabe.
You know, doon.
We're going in here? Yeah. Thank you. Actually, can we go? Can we?
Yeah, because I think they already left 2 seats for you.
Okay.
So take these two. I mean,
Okay.
you're gonna stop in 5 minutes, okay?
Okay, thank you.
If they're not happy, they will change your place.
Okay, sounds
Don't
good.
worry, you have enough space. The whole space is yours.
Okay, thank you. Wow. Ang social dito. Naka-Mercedes.
Sabi nila si Chad White, colorblind pa tayo. Black to eh.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. The sky is quite clear, so it's visible. Now that we all have jumped off the falls in a barrel.
Ano in order mo, Ben?
Burger and fries.
Wow.
Let's wait on the other side.
Okay.
Okay, so kukuha tayo ng 4. I'm just gonna close this.
Can you even close that?
I'll try.
The burger is too big, no?
Let's do it like that.
Ayan.
Tara.
Grab those.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Or can we exit? Can we exit?
Right there. You can go there. Ayan. Babalik na kami sa van, guys. Wow.
Nakita mo ba siya?
Ayun siya. Ayun siya, naka-black. Grabe guys, so, tingnan yung burger. Ang laki. Oh, laki.
Busog ka dyan.
Mmm.
Go, go, go.
Yum. Saka dad, Cobra chicken.
Ang taba.
Huwag ka masyado malapit, nakahabol yan eh.
Ay, siya nga, lapit oh.
Ayun na siya. Okay, nandito kami sa Maple Trail. Wow.
Tasting. We're doing tasting.
There you go now. You have one. So, everyone has one. I'm going to give a little explanatory how it works. Once I've done my explanation, we're going to go through them, try them together, and by the end, y'all just kick your toe and just leave it, okay? Alright. So my name's Dante. As you can see right in front of you, or on your ladder, or in my hand, there's 3 distinctly colored maple syrups. Very different in look and very different in taste, as we're about to test. As different as they are, though, they're all still picked from the same tree and have the same sugar content throughout each of them. Meaning that even though some will taste richer, even like the average person, some of them will taste stronger, it's still the same sugar.
Trees need to be at least 30 years old. They can only be harvested 1 time per year.
Oh, it's got to get a whole video in. That's awesome.
They only produce
Very nice, right?
1 liter per year.
Due to it being early on the
They're
season,
gonna tap the tree.
golden is very
It's
sweet.
like a giant
It's
metal
very
straw.
soft
They're
taste.
gonna start like bleeding out the tree sap. As the tree sap gets water, the tree
That's due to the tree not getting a lot of
It's like
nutrients.
45
Here in
meters of
Canada,
that.
Healthy sugar.
and there's a
Boil it
choice.
down.
Very bad.
Your left hand.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, there you go.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
Are you guys
You guys stay here.
What do you think?
Awesome.
It's more stronger than.
But
Yeah.
they have the same sugar.
Yeah.
Went a little crazier on that one. So
So stronger than.
that's the one that has that now stronger
Try some more samples. The left meat is
because the tree's now
It's
getting
also the chocolate bar.
okay? Strongest texture. You can try it right now. Strongest texture behind it. Very rich. Very
Here's to the strongest.
And I feel like it lasts the longest. That's the, I don't know, I feel like alcohol flavor.
Oh, yeah. Favorite.
Nice, right? Well, you like it?
Yum.
Yeah.
What do I got?
Yeah, this is the strongest.
You like that?
Maple.
It's kind of like put on the end.
I like the amber one.
Really?
So what do you start? What do you think is my favorite?
Cheers.
Okay. How about you take pictures of us and I will try. You want to try syrup, Dad? Syrup tasting?
Nice, right?
Yeah, right here.
Are you guys with the tour group?
Ano gusto mo siya?
I'll try this one, please. Thank you.
Can I also try the...
Not real stuff. No, you like to make it up.
Is that salted caramel?
Yeah. Tastes good.
You want to try the fudge? Which one?
What do you think?
You want to try the mint?
It's good. Just sweet. But it's good. Let's try it. How much is this? Healthy sugar.
Ito ko na yung sarili dito.
Ah, sige, go. Crispy pata! Go! Buhay pa yan? Hindi, ilaw lang, no?
Hindi, ano lang siya.
Ah, purifier. Let's go. So, babalik na tayo sa car. Kasi,
Camps were called sugar shacks. It was from these innovations that the modern maple
Grabe oh. Man. Last pit stop bago tayo pumunta ng boat. No. Look at that, guys. Grabe guys oh. Kita niyo yung grabe yung current ng ng tubig doon oh. Kita niyo grabe. Pag tumalong ka doon,
patay.
paglabas mo dito ka na pero Ayan.
Give me your camera. Give me your camera. Let me take a picture.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
He's live. Why do you want to put him in trouble? So it's already almost 5 to 6. So by 6:50, 10 to 7, please come back to the bus stop. Okay.
Thank you.
6:50. Yeah, like 55 minutes from now, more or less.
Grabe guys. Daming tao. Dito tayo.
Okay.
Gusto mo sa huli? Sa front? Kasi nandito mamaya yung malakas. Malakas yung dito mamaya.
Into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. Inside of Niagara Falls, the highest flow rate of natural beauty located in the Canadian is known as the Horseshoe Falls.
Galing kami doon, umikot. Grabe, no? Wow! Beautiful place. Beautiful falls. Huh?
Nasa atin ang view. Yun daw, pag mag-aaway yung Canadian at American, bombahan.
Ay, grabe na. Mag-imagine ka na naman mga missiles dyan. Oh. Zoo! Zoo!
Hindi na yung sarap.
Napagod ka ba?
No.
No?
Ikaw malagod ka kasi madanda.
Yeah. Yung tuhod ko mahina na. Kaya nga guys, kung nagustuhan niyo yung video namin, please like, share, and follow us for more videos. Maraming salamat.
Paano daw pag hindi nagustuhan? Yung gagawin report?
No. Manood na lang sila. Bye. See you on the next one.